Alright, usually I search YouTube about a product before I use it, but this had me so curious, so now I'm testing it for you. So, got it off Amazon, there's all the info, and the color codes match with your standard butt splices, but apparently when you heat this up it has solder, so it's supposed to solder the leads, and then where you see the red bands is supposed to also be heat shrink. So we're going to test this out. So I've got one wire in there and you can see it has to go to the middle there where the solder is. So I'm going to push this other end through here and match them up. So you can see the two ends kind of cross over each other. Best I could show that. And now I'm going to heat it up and we're going to see how well it heat shrinks and solders. Well, what I can tell you is the solder in the middle did melt. The heat shrink part did heat shrink. So far, so good. I'm going to give it a good tug and we're going to see if it can hold up to that. Okay, I just pulled on it pretty hard and I couldn't get it to budge, so it is indeed soldered in the middle. I'm going to give it a continuity test, and if that passed, you won't hear anything else. I'd say this is a pretty good product for 10 bucks. Pretty convenient.